Good day! We are the Group 5 of BSIT 2E.
On our main screen, you will see the logo, the tagline, and also the different functions that we offer, like create an appointment, display an appointment, edit an appointment, and also delete an appointment.
Number 1, book appointment. Dito naman hihingi ni attendant lahat ng information ni customer like first name, last name, and yung procedure na gusto niya like acrylic, nail size, nail shape, nail color, and yung mga gusto niyang i-add on. Tatanungin din siya dito kung sino yung gusto niyang technician or pwede din wala. And sa number 2 naman, display appointment. Dito na makikita yung current appointment ng salon or ng nail bar.
Number 3, update appointment. Dito pwede i-edit ni attendant yung gustong ibago ni customer like procedure and the mga add-ons. And lastly, number 4 is delete appointment. Dito naman, pwede i-cancel ni attendant yung appointment ni customer kung nabago man yung isip niya.